as the upcoming school year approaches, some schools across the tri-state are finalizing back-to-school plans, while others are starting to rethink theirs. And now, upset teachers are speaking out. They're worried the safety measures in place are not enough. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan explains their concerns.
And when I say our students, we call them our kids. We want to be with our kids.
The question is not whether teachers want to get back into the classroom.
We want to be back, but we want to be back safely with our students.
But whether districts can make sure it is safe for people to go back to school at all.
I do have a number of concerns in terms of whether we can actually do that safely. Whether we can meet with the students, whether we can be together safely.
Right now in my classroom, I could maybe get a foot of distance between my students.
When cases in this corner of Ohio started to climb again earlier this month, the Ohio Education Association questioned the wisdom of many districts planning to return fully to in-person lessons. It says any counties under a red or purple health advisory from Governor Mike DeWine need to do virtual learning.
And even I think the schools that are in level 2 need to strongly consider going virtually if they can't guarantee the safety of their students, their staff, and the families that the students go back to.
Teachers union representatives I spoke to also want to see districts require masks and allow for 6 feet of social distancing at all times. They also want to see districts have specific plans in place to transition to and from remote learning and for quarantining in the event of a positive case.
Our members deserve to not be anxious or fearful about contracting the virus at what potentially is a super spreader event at a large high school or middle school.
A Cincinnati Public Schools board member says the board would likely talk about reopening plans at an executive session Thursday, and the board is expected to discuss those plans at a public meeting Monday. The Cincinnati Federation of Teachers, not affiliated with OEA, has told WCPO it also wants to see the year start fully remote if the situation doesn't improve. Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.